In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a torque wrench, actually a 1/2 inch torque wrench from the company SUZUME, maybe is how you would say that. What a cool name. And this has the 72 tooth ratchet and head on it. It's like 10 foot-pounds to 170 foot-pounds. The tolerance on this thing is plus or minus 3%. And you know what? It came in this nice, cool-looking case here, which is pretty much indestructible. I love it when they give you a nice case like this. You know, to open it up, you're just gonna open that up. As soon as you open it, number one, it's very nice looking. Look how nice and presented that thing is. This is a good looking torque wrench. You get a little set of instructions here. That was what was on it. I just kept that to make sure. So the certification calibration is on it and a little bit on how to adjust it. But you know what? If you've ever used a torque wrench, I'm sure you'll be fine. So we'll put that aside. Let's just take it out of the case. I do like how they have a spot inside the case. You could run several sockets. I don't have any of those size 1/2 inch sockets. I have more deep well 1/2 inch sockets, but look at this thing. This thing feels amazing. It feels extremely premium. For its cost, I am very impressed, like considering the price of this thing and how well it looks. This is awesome. What's under here? So you open that up. Is there anything inside there? There's a nut for, I guess that's the adjustment if you ever have to adjust it. So that's there. The handle's like this gold color. You can see right there, it says 10 to 170 foot-pounds. Left and right function. So let's go ahead and let's adjust it here. So you're gonna pull down on that and then screw it down. I have a, my little trailer over here has a tire on it. Let me set the camera up and we'll go ahead and we'll adjust these and make sure our foot-pounds is the same on all of these lug nuts over here. So let's go do that now. Okay, so here's a perfect use for this. You know what? I've got my deep well sockets here. I think this is a 19/16. There it is. We got a 19/16. Let's go ahead. You got to mash the button so it has that safety lock button on it. So a lug nut should be between 80 and 90 foot-pounds. And this is just a small trailer, so I'm going to roll it up to 90 foot-pounds. So let's go 90. Well, that one was kind of loose. There it was. Okay, I know that one's set. Let's try this one. Okay, that one's set too. Let's try this one down here. All right, that one's set. Well, there it is. Well, I just found out that my lug nuts were uneven. I had them, I think I probably only had them at 50 foot-pounds on those things. So now I put them all at 90. So I'll go ahead and do the other side and I should be good to go. This is something I recommend everybody have, whether you're a mechanic or a backyard mechanic, kind of like me, and you just need to know, make sure you're getting everything tight the way up to specification. Smaller 1/4 inch, and then now I have this 1/2 inch, so I think I'm covered. I don't think I need a 3/8. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the SUZUME 1/2 inch torque wrench. See y'all in the next video.